Good morning, my name is Jeremiah with Affordable Mobility Solutions, and today I'm shooting a video of our 2013 Chrysler Town & Country. And as you can see, using just the remote here, I can operate both the power sliding doors, and also the trunk lid will open up, so it's a very nice feature to have. You can be coming up from the grocery store, you can pull up, you can open up the ramp and door, and you can roll right on in. It's got the broadability conversion. Entry height here is 56 inches. Inside the van is a little over 58. The ramp is 30 inches wide. It's got about 29.5 inches of usable space. Inside the van is very clean. This van has been immaculately maintained. Carpets still look amazing. We do give a free set of ratcheting tie downs away with each vehicle. It's got the leather back seats. They look like they've hardly ever been used. It's got dual entertainment centers in it. One there, one in the middle. It's got the rear air controls. This is the limited, so it's got pretty much everything, every option you could imagine they made in 2013. Dash is in excellent condition. It's got the steering wheel controls, so whether it be you or a family member or an employee, it's got the keep your eyes on the road. It's got the backup camera. It's also got the navigation. It's got the dual climate control, so driver can be one temperature and the passenger can be a second temperature. Got the rear air controls. Got the DVD system right there. Plenty of cup holders in this van. Couple up front, couple in the doors over there. So extremely loaded. Very nice van. You can also operate the system from right here at the button. You can close the ramp and door just by simply pushing that button. And you can see those coming up there. You can also operate the system in the doors using the buttons up here. Close the trunk and this passenger or the driver's side sliding door. Very clean inside and out. I'm going to do a walk around of the van. We put 4 brand new tires on this van. Brand new, they don't even have 10 miles on them. Got these real nice alloy wheels. This van looks about brand new. Tinted windows. It's got the roof rack in case you do any traveling. Tinted windows will keep you nice and cool in the summertime and give you privacy year round. There's hardly a scratch or dent on this van. It's very clean. I did see one small spot on the back, if I can even find it again. They put touch-up paint about the size of smaller than a dime. If I can see it, I'll point it out. I can't even see it anymore. Got the backup assist system. If you start getting close to something, it'll start beeping at you. When we got this van, I don't normally buy rebuilders. This was a rebuilt title. What happened, and I've got the video when it came in, it got a little scrape along the back passenger side here, and it caused the airbag to blow inside there. Messed up that rim. We had to get a brand new rim for it. It was very minor damage. I can still drive the vehicle. We put a new airbag in. We had this painted back here. We put a rim on it. I don't buy vehicles that have been flooded. I don't buy vehicles with frame damage. But I saw this van. I saw it was so nice. I saw it needed so little work. Had the airbag not been blown, that's what caused this to become a salvage title. Very easy to replace. We got that replaced. We've inspected the van. We're going to take it out on a drive. Just had the interior professionally detailed. It's got power seats on both sides, leather interior. I'm a non-smoker. I can smell smoke from a mile away. No signs of any smoke or unusual odors in the van. There's also the VIN number. We always provide the VIN number. Passenger side, much of the same. Very clean. You can see in the pictures we have all the owner's manuals. Have the remote here for the entertainment system. It's got 2 keys, 2 fobs. You can also have the remote start on it. Like I mentioned, it's got the remote start, so if you're walking up on the vehicle, or if it's a cool time of year like this and you want the vehicle to be running, the heater running, you can fire it up from inside your house. Got to unlock it. Current miles, 58,842. It's got the backup camera, like I mentioned. It's also got the navigation. That's a very nice feature to have. Like I said, this van is fully loaded. As you can see there, it's ready to navigate. We've turned it on. There's no check engine lights, no airbag, no ABS light. None of the dummy lights are on. That light's just on because I have the driver's door open right here. So let's pop the hood so you can listen to it run. Underneath the hood has a 3.6 V6 engine. It idles smoothly. No signs of any damage. No signs of any leaks. Very clean. Underneath the van, much of the same. Get my camera to focus there. There we go. Very clean. You know, a little bit of surface rust. That's to be expected for a van with 58,000 miles on it. Take you over to the side. This is the side that got side swiped. But no matter who you buy from, make sure they get you a video like this. Make sure you can see what's going on underneath the van. You buy one of these vans from Chicago, New York, New Jersey, it's all rusted out. It won't pass inspection in your state. Folks, if you buy a van that won't pass inspection, you can't drive it. Don't buy a van you can't drive. Buy from a company like Affordable Mobility Solutions. We've been in business over 8 years. We have an A+ rating with the Better Business Bureau. We'll get out and crawl around on the ground. I want you to see exactly what you're getting. I've been doing this 8 years. I've been doing these videos. We sell these all the time, sight unseen. I've never had one customer call me and say, Jeremiah, that's not what I was expecting with the van. These videos show exactly what you're getting. So no matter who you buy from, tell them to get you a video. And if they won't go spend an hour of their time getting you a video, then what are they selling you and who are you buying from? Don't get burned on the internet. It happens every day. Do your research. Buy from a company with a good reputation like Affordable Mobility Solutions. So let's get you out on the highway. I want you to hear the van run. Before we do that, we've tested all the power windows. I'm going to show you the power mirror over here. Power mirrors all work. Oh, wrong switch. Get with it. Window back there goes up and down, no problems. We've tested the heat, the air. We've touched every button on this thing. We can't find anything that doesn't work. So again, this is not some vehicle you see a great price and then you either come look at it or we deliver it out to you and it's got a bunch of issues they didn't tell you about. That is not how I do business. So let's get the van on the highway so you can hear it run. Like I already mentioned, the van has a backup camera, but it also has backup assist. See, it's beeping, it's telling me objects are back behind me. So if you're not, start beeping at you. If you're not paying attention one day and you're backing up and you're not looking at the camera, that audio is very helpful as well. It's just another neat safety feature this van has that's fully loaded. So let's get it out on the highway so you can hear it run. Okay, the last portion of the video, I always like to get the vans on the highway. A couple other neat features I wanted to show you. It has the heated seats. It also has a heated steering wheel. So also just, they've loaded this thing to the max. It's really neat features that it has. The point of getting it on the highway, I want to show you this van is roadworthy. Whether you take advantage of our free shipping anywhere in the lower 48 states, or you come in and drive this home, this van handles wonderfully on the highway. It is ready to roll. Got it up to about 67 miles an hour. You can see the steering wheel is nice and straight. It doesn't, what also has a neat feature, it just beeped at me. It let me know it's got the lane departure warning. I'll show it to you when a vehicle gets up next to me. But it lets me know if someone's next to me and I've got my turn signal on, it lets me know not to go over there. Set the cruise about 60, cruise works great. And what I'll do is take the next exit, I'll give it a hard brake at the bottom of the exit. And I want you to ask yourself, when you're out there looking at mobility vans, the people that are in competition with us, do they have an A+ rating with the Better Business Bureau? Because obviously we do. See that little yellow light? Tells me someone's up next to me, tells me not to go over in that lane. So another great safety feature to have. We have an A+ rating with the Better Business Bureau. You know, if you're buying from looking at another company and they don't have an A+ rating, you better ask them why. And you better ask yourself, why are you buying from them if they don't have a good reputation? If you're buying from an individual, very risky to do. If they don't fill out a title properly, if they don't get you a title, if they sell you a lemon, you have no recourse. So always good to buy from a dealer with a good reputation. We're governed by the state. Let me give it a hard brake at the bottom of the ramp here. No shaking, no squeaking, no unusual vibration. Very clean, very nice van. It's obviously not brand new, but it darn near looks brand new inside and out, and it darn near drives brand new. So when you're comparing us, also ask yourself, do they offer free shipping? anywhere in the lower 48 states. You know, once you buy a vehicle, do you want to have to mess with having to find a shipper to get it, come pick it up, to do all that mess, or you want us to let us handle that? And we do it for free shipping to your driveway. Obviously ask them, do they get out and make a video? Do they show you exactly what you're getting? Folks, you can hide anything in pictures. You can make a hide body damage. Not only do we have a good reputation, when we get out, we crawl around on the ground, I want you to know exactly what you're getting. So if you ever want to come look at one of our vehicles, please always give me a call and make an appointment first. 316-262-VANS. That's 316-262-8267. My name is Jeremiah. If you're more of a texter, give me a text on my cell phone, 316-518-4377. Check us out 24 hours a day online at www.mobility316.com. That's mobility316.com. Like I said, please always make an appointment with us. I know your time is valuable. We don't want to miss you. Call me, set up a time. We'll be happy to show it to you. We have a heated warehouse to look at our vans in. And as always, thank you so much for checking out Affordable Mobility Solutions, where mobility is affordable. Call me today.